Got another quick video here on temperature control in the follow me mode. The follow me mode is where you turn your remote control itself into the thermostat. So you mount that on the wall across the room, and rather than the unit just taking temperature right at the head, you mount this on a colder spot or in the middle of the room, and now the head cares about what the temperature is over there, and that seems to work a lot better, especially in heat mode. It's probably the most common question I get, and this solves usually 99% of that. So by default, the thermostat is inside the head there, right behind that display, and it's always warmer over there than it is across the room. So to set that into follow me mode, you hit the set button until that little person displays and hit OK. And now he's locked in. So now this remote control is the thermostat itself. Another tip is once you get some settings in here like that, you can put this memory function on if you hold the turbo button for a few seconds and point it at the unit. Okay, now it says on. So now whether you turn the unit on or off, it should remember these settings that you put in there and stay in that way. And then you should be able to control it remotely with your phone as well, and it still should be going off the remote control. I'll show you one other thing if you don't know it already. When you're adjusting the temperature, it displays on the head the set point that you put in there. But if you want it to display what the room's actually reading, so put my set point at 76, hold the LED button at the head, hold it for about at least 5 to 7 seconds until you hear it beep. Now it's going to, after you've changed the set point, it's going to revert back and display. See, now it's at 72. So my set point's at 76. If you change it, it's going to display that for a few seconds, and then it's going to go back to telling you what the room's actually reading, whether that's looking at the remote control like we just set it up, or just directly what it thinks it's reading right at the head. And that's super handy information to know if you feel like it's not doing the temperature control like it should be. I'll pan over to the unit real quick, and I'll just show you where that thermostat's located in the unit. It's about a $1 part. If you ever feel that it's not reading correctly, but easier thing is to just throw the remote control into the thermostat. So it's this little wire right here. It's placed right up in there. If you ever did want to change it out, very quick and easy part from Senville. You just unplug this one clip, maybe with a little flathead screwdriver to help it pop out of there, and then just replace it if that ever seems like it's not accurate anymore. By default, it's always gonna, right inside the head there, it's always gonna be a different temperature than it is in the rest of the room, so that's why it always feels like it might be off.